Hello students, how are you? I hope you are fine now. Students, you know man is a social animal. He wants to live in society and people shares their feelings, their emotions, their thoughts to with their nearest one, with their friends, and you know that we all spend a lot of time with our family. We feel safe and happy in our family. Somebody has small family, somebody has big family. Nowadays we have seen small families. In those families we live with our mother, father, brother and sister. And in the family every relation plays different roles in our life. Have you a child in our home or younger brother or sister? They want to do like you. I think you want to do like your father, like your mother. The children are imitator of his parents. That's why parents should do each and every activity correct for his child. Each and every activity should be ideal for his child because they are the follower of their parents. I think there are some stages of life. The first one is childhood, second one is teenager, then adolescent and then old age. And in our each stage, I think our role model will be different. It will be changed because of our thinking maturity. Today we are going to learn a new poem related with these things. Today we are going to learn a 9th standard poem, Walk a Little Slower Daddy. In this poem, the child wants to follow his father. There is a conversation between the child and father. The child is a speaker in this poem and the father is a listener. Now here I am going to read this poem. Walk a little slower, walk a little slower, said the little child so small. I am following in your footsteps and I don't want to fall. Sometimes your steps are very fast. Sometimes they are hard to see. So walk a little slower, Daddy, for you are leading me. Someday when I am all grown up, you are what I want to be. Then I will have a little child who will want to follow me and I would want to lead just right and know that I was true. So walk a little slower, Daddy, for must follow you. The author is unknown. Students, do you notice how many stanzas are there? Yes, there are 4 stanzas and each stanza have a special meaning. It gives us a special message for us. Now let us see first stanza. Walk a little slower, Daddy, said a little child so small. I am following in your footsteps and I don't want to fall. Here in the first stanza, the child is requesting, the poet means the child is requesting to his father, to his daddy to walk slow. Here the word walk refers for the actions or the situations the father will do. So he is requesting, walk a little slower, Daddy. I am following in your footsteps. I don't want to fall. The child is saying to his dad or father, he is following his footsteps, his father's footsteps. Here following footsteps means to do something as someone else, especially in family, means copying or imitating. The child wants to follow each and every dad's right activity. He wants to learn from his activities. He don't want to fall in life. Now see students, in the first stanza, the walk is word for the journey of life. the child wants to know each and every activity of dad's and to follow his footsteps. To follow means to copy or to imitate the actions or situations. For example, you know that the famous player Sachin Tendulkar, Lata Mangeshkar's family, Ambani's family, they are the imitator or they are the followers of their parents and they get good success in life. Means here when your fathers do good things, at that time you follow these good things. Do you understand? Shall we go towards the next stanza? See, sometimes your steps are very fast, sometimes they are hard to see, so walk a little slower, daddy, for you are leading me. In the second stanza, the child is requesting to once again to his dad, walk a little slower, because he is saying to his dad, some steps are very fast. Here the some steps are very fast means some situations, some actions what the father did, he can't understood it. That's why he is saying your steps are very fast, sometimes they are hard to see, so please communicate me, please share me how do you handle this situation in those conditions. The child want to communicate with his father and that's why he is saying sometimes your steps are very fast, sometimes they are hard to see, so walk a little slower for you are leading me. Why you want to understand and learn each and every activity from his dad? Because he suppose that his father is a role model and he is leading to his child. The father is a leader of his child and the child wants to learn each and every good activities, good things from his father. That's why he is requesting again and again, please walk a little slower. Do you understand the second stanza? Now we are going to see the third one. Someday when I am all grown up, you are what I want to be, then I will have a little child who will want to follow me. In the third stanza, the poet will be a grown-up person. He will have a little child and his child will follow him. Means in future when child will become a father, he will also want to be a role model of his child. That's why he is saying, please teach me each and every actions or conditions how you handle in your life. These things are very helpful in my future life. Each and every child learn from his parents how to live successfully in his life and hand over the good things from one generation to another. If child will get good things, good habits from his parents, from his father, he will hand over these things to their child. Do you understand? Shall we go towards the last and fourth one stanza? And I would want to lead just right and know that I was true. So walk a little slower, daddy, for must follow you. The author is unknown. In the last stanza, the child or the author said, when I understood true way of life, how to be live in successful or happy in life, that time he will also leading me my child. So please give me some time to understand all actions betterly. So the child once again requesting to his father, walk a little slower, daddy, and he said, your I must follow you means here each and every actions should be right for following him. Means here father do all these things right, and the child will learn these activities from his father because his father is his role model. In this way, whole poem gives us a lot of message. There is a conversation between the child and the father. The father is a role model of his child, and child is requesting to his father once again to follow all these good things. In the poem, the father is a role model of his child, and the child wants to know, wants to learn each and every activity very correctly or right. When he learn from his father, he will hand over all those things. Means here I will say, if the charioteer is the perfect, then the chariot will go right way. Means in Marathi, जर रथाचा सारथी योग्य असेल तर रथ योग्य मार्गावरती जातो. म्हणजेच आपले पालक जर आदर्श असतील तर त्यांचाच आदर्श घेऊन मुलं पुढे आदर्शवादी बनतात. मीन्स परफेक्ट प्रॅक्टिस मेक्स मॅन परफेक्ट. यू हॅव टू परफेक्ट प्रॅक्टिस टू बी अ परफेक्ट मॅन. डू यू अंडरस्टँड? नाउ लेट अस सी द न्यू वर्ड्स in this poem. New words. First one, to fall means do not want to be a successful in achieving something. Second one, following in your footsteps, to do same things as someone else, especially someone in your family. Third one, leading, guiding, showing the right path. Now let us check the what you understand. Walk a little slower. Question first. Write the rhyming pairs from poem. First one, small fall. Second, see me. Third, be me. Fourth one, true you. Question number 2. Put the words given in the brackets in proper blanks. First one, the dash dash is talking to its dash dash. Answer is, the child is talking to its father. Second, the dash dash is leading and the dash dash is following. Answer is, the father is leading and the child is following. Third one, someday the dash dash will become a dash dash. Answer, someday the child will become a father. Fourth one, the dash dash does not wish to fall while following its dash dash. Answer is, the child does not wish to fall while following its father. Now see question number 3. Write the pairs of related words. Example is given there. Father, child. The father is related to child. The child is related to father. Like that. First one, teacher, student. Second one, doctor, patient. Third one, give, take. Fourth one, paper, pencil. Fifth one, teaching and learning. Now let us see the another type of question, the appreciation. Appreciation of the poem means in Marathi rasagrahan. There are given some points. Using these points you have to write the appreciation. Here given one example. The first one, the title, walk a little slower. Second, poet, author unknown. Third one, theme. The importance of the father as a role model is the central idea of the poem. The child in the poem wants to observe and imitate the life. Fourth one, rhyme scheme, A, B, C, B. Fifth one, figure of speech, metaphor. I hope you understand the poem. Thank you. सांगली शिक्षण संस्था नावाने असलेल्या यूट्यूब चॅनलसाठी सबस्क्राईब करा आणि सबस्क्राईबच्या शेजारी असलेल्या बेल आयकॉनवर क्लिक करा म्हणजे पुढील नोटिफिकेशन आपणास मिळतील.